Yada say yensa mo achemo akwa baby Adom TV Badwam dwumade so yada Apostle Dr. Nita Ekutegwa say ni nkranhyensem a wode abrɛ de adu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no ne obeti bi ni mampani John Dramani Mahama bo Chief Justice asensen yade ho nsam no ebebro na fe yakoma mampani a so nei wode ensam eto edwakire mu se ECOWAS ye hia ne nkabo mu na tumi aboa me ani so ade hunu wo bambo mu sikasemu no etimi agina ne nan so ne nsembia no pay obete se Badwam kase a wo hwe me live wo fiefie mu Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 na uko YouTuber search Adom TV 2 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mientie se den nsem ni chiremo ankasa etie Mampani John Dramani Mahama gina Ghana ya mambra aye article 146 section 6 no so na wone Council of State edi nkoma ene ohunu ne se petition ahodo bi enipa bi troye edefa Chief Justice ho Justice Gertrude Arabai Sabas Saki tokuno eho no okura bi bewo mu nti ehu behia so otena nchen na ye hwehwemu akase etwaso
Mampani John Dramani Mahama afa article 146 my Ghana mamra so ene Council of State edi nkita ho chiremu se yampa ensem bia wokeka efa otemuafo panyini Gertrude Araba Isaba tokuno no ewose woyemu enhwehwemu na wo hwe petition miensa na etia maami ye kwoto mampanyini enim no a ewose enhwehwemu ekoso ne senti watwe ne dibre no asensan mampanyini ejina emra no aso ate committee ya wo ne Council of State ena ebedi nkita ho ahwehwe sa petition no emu ansa no de ho anu yi ababetudwa enipa wo committee nim Justice Gabriel Scott Poaman Justice of the Supreme Court no ona yetitre ni Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Asiedu enso member than Adom level Kane Auditor General we member Major Flora Bazwanura Dalugu Ghana Armed Forces ono so member Professor James Sifa Jisa Associate Professor with University of Ghana member na wo hwekwan se my Ghana mamra article 14610 ebabua ama wone Council of State for edinkita ho ya ne dibre ne de wode ato ho no kosi se hwehwemu a committee no ebeye no wode ba betudwa sankrata yi oswafo ho no hwe ampanyini kita ho die so Felix kwachiofo su na nsa ehyase
Yanto so na mampani John Dramani Mahama de ato ECOWAS akendifo mpanifo ni nyina ni mu se ene no so mbetumi aboasi ohawa ye femu se ye bambo mu nuane nom ne ade ene amanyose mu ntawantawa de age se nkabo mu nti emre no waso se wose ye di sa dwumai ECOWAS enya mfie aduonum eho na mampani de semi etudwa.
We must not take this legacy lightly. It is one we must protect. It is one we must deepen and refine in the face of new and emerging challenges. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, today our region is faced with a complex array of threats: violent extremism, growing insecurity in the Sahel, political instability, economic disparities, and climate vulnerabilities. In moments like these, diplomacy and solidarity must remain our first and strongest line of defense.
Enwechi okade twaso se my Ghana ye krado se bibiri mato ye fam de beye ama asumdwe ne nkaboma babia no obeye.
Ghana stands ready to serve as the bridge to help reknit the fabric of West African unity. We believe that through sustained dialogue, patient diplomacy, and principled negotiation, we can restore cohesion and rebuild trust in our community. This period, ladies and gentlemen, calls for even greater solidarity and understanding for the difficult challenges that confront our brothers in the Sahelian states.
Ekuo ya wofra won ho African Diaspora 126+. Ene won so ese osofo hwe interior so asama waka muntaka mubaraka se won mo ba o my Ghana mu no won pemegis wo tua no won mo nya dwe fi so won ye Ghana fo na de won mo akwa akwantuo mu a wo bent wo hunu se wo mo ye ahoho wo mo ye kromafo ankasa nti permit bi ene wo so wo mu tua no so nsama ode tudwa ene.
When we come here, we are treated differently than our brothers and sisters. Now let me give an example. I have a nephew who's coming here in any day now, and it would behoove me if when he comes to visit his long-lost uncle, that I charge him. Bro, to eat, you gotta give me some money. To come in the house, you gotta give me some money. If you want to drive somewhere, you have to give me some money. And this is exactly what's been going on. Whether the minister called us foreigners or recognizing the Chinese and the Indians, and God forbid our Nigerian brothers, we are treated as foreigners. So we want clarification on people of African descent. Where is the guideline? Where's the policy that guides and governs us when we decide to come home, back home and reside? Where is it?
Ekuo one day Generational Rights Protection Society. Some penny declare state of emergency war. A year galamse no ehuni ntwamukra na fe wonye hwehwemu nso emfamfa eye mine na hodo ne ho license a womonsa etumi eka. Ohena mponsa kwa wonhwem de ase etwaso.
Yewura John Dramani Mahama ne de share ne nsa. Yewie ne de police ane eye military aka ne ho. Ye the national security aka no mo ye galamse say MPP4, NDC4, CPP, PNC. Galamse does not know any political color. It will buy any instance of bechichomo no or the nensa ene nam ho. Soldier for kura kwa ye hunu so. Police akwa ye hunu so. Water guard for nkwa for ya ahye yellow e de che wo mu na kwapam galamse for. Eti ya agudie. Or state of emergency or no any proposal the by a time no war a year opposition. And they were 100 days to declare state of emergency. So state of emergency first, all stakeholders must come on board. Then we declare this as a national security issue. Even if it means shoot to kill, he must go ahead and declare that. 28 by 2 p.m. or brass spot her near Mache. Police if one is one premium of Black Star House. Then we are taking inspiration from Nico Benaboni III. We are taking inspiration from Air Sergeant Ajete, Corporatipo, New Adate Lamte.
Nanuachi na yewura akwasi adai odike a ono enso amanyosem de wadi motintima no kire se sa akun nyina no ya na amanyosem MPP ene NDC won ena sobo kese no yemfa embo mu omuni abrofo na kan bom anu mo destroy Ghana ye oman no masa every 1992 besi ne fourth republic way it has caused more harm to this country than good. Mahama first wa bebo ane say on place state of emergency. Nyanya man ni auditing. Obi a was
Kami ensanya nkwanhia a Sprinter bus CB VIP ni Toyota Corolla a private car ma make say enipa nso to no mo ensia do ama won so epra na de mo den wo fomena ana dompo ase e ben fomena wadanse north ben simu wa santimantem.
Ye ba no ye wu ya no say Sprinter driver ni no any bus na crash as yimuno no e kan say private car na e hye no enso koda ba nipa wu apa nipa wu de min kan kra nipa ba 80 de ai be piesu do mu nyina akọ
na me phone so me ma me treat so and I who says Sprinter car like I thought for my a share car and one na order the bomb na like your driver the swear we ba likely a car no obiala said enya serious injury except the driver.
District commander and so any command the police penny so say
banyame adu etima yu nyina fia no so far ha na be hu se nipa be 6 and no mo wukuju to I do magu body guard no ya call hospital ya pija bisu e de call other hospital for mena hospital don't pass hospital by any me be say by nipa prepare I are say
meeting every Isaac K Nomanyo Adom Kasiye.
Maminya no so na Adom TV Badwam Kasiye no memfansi ha seda ya wodia emrani adaje a wode ma yenti wadaroma twen ye wo online stories no bi e wo ha nso na gugu nya gugu atwankasa emframe mu odene tie bia na de wo krata na nu ntem online de no ye de to so twen sisiye